In problems A5, we have the tortoise and the hare racing in their preliminary heat before the big race. The tortoise runs at 3.5 meters per second, the hare runs at 4.8 meters per second. We want to know how much time elapsed between the turtle and the rabbit's finish. Their race is 30.8 kilometers. So we've got this whole setup, and it's really pretty straightforward. There's a couple different ways that you can attack this problem, but I think the most straightforward one is to just do the equation twice. The equation that we have is V equals d over t, and again, if we're looking for the time here, then when my unknown's at the bottom, it trades places with what was at the top, so t is going to equal d over v. Well, the distance, here we have another conversion here, because the distance I gave you was 30.8 kilometers, but both the velocities were listed in meters per second. So it's easier if I can get rid of this kilo. Kilo, of course, means 10 to the third. So if I just make this 3 bigger, it comes out to 30800 meters. So this would be the best number to use for my D. So if we want the time for the rabbit, we're going to have that 30800, and the rabbit was running at 4.8. And again, this is meters, so this is meters per second. When those cancel, we will find the rabbit took 64, 16, 17 seconds. Again, we've only got 2 sig figs in the bottom, so we're going to have to round that up to 6,400 seconds. Well, the turtle, he's going to run the exact same race, so the time it's going to take for the turtle, he still has to run 30800, but he's running only 3.5 meters per second. So again, the m's cancel off. That's going to give me an answer in S, but the turtle's time turns out to be 8,800 seconds. So this is the total time for the rabbit. This is the total time for the turtle. After the rabbit finishes, how much time is the turtle still running until he finally catches up? That's just a matter of subtracting it out. 8,800 minus 6,400 looks like we're going to have 2,400 seconds later is when he crosses the line. Some of you don't like that many seconds, so if you don't like that, which is a perfectly acceptable answer, you could divide that by 60, and of course 6 goes into 24 4 times, so you could say 40 minutes if that makes you happier. Either one of those is an acceptable answer.